Have you ever wondered how much money slips through the cracks of your business every month? Expense reports, if left unchecked, can quietly drain cash, inflate costs, and even open the door to fraud. In this video, I'll show you how to tighten controls on expense reports, recover wasted money, and keep HMRC happy. Stick around because the mistakes we'll cover today are more common than you think. Welcome to Accounting Best Practices UK, where we simplify accounting and internal controls for bookkeepers, students, small business owners, and finance leaders. Today's topic is expense report controls. By the end of this video, you'll know the systems and safeguards that prevent fraud, improve compliance, and protect your cash flow. Expense reports are meant to track employee spending, travel, meals, mileage, office costs. Done right, they provide visibility and keep costs under control. But here's the problem. Without proper controls, expense reports often turn into a black hole. Employees exaggerate mileage, forget receipts, or claim expenses outside of company policy. In fact, surveys show that over 10% of UK employees admit to padding their expense claims. That may not sound like much, but across hundreds of claims, it adds up fast. So the question is, how do you stop it? Let's dive into the risks first, and then I'll show you the exact controls to put in place. Without proper controls, expense reports can lead to fraudulent claims, employees claiming personal meals, family trips, or inflated mileage, duplicate submissions, the same taxi ride submitted twice, often unnoticed, lost VAT reclaims. If valid receipts aren't attached, you can't reclaim VAT from HMRC. Budget overruns. Small unchecked claims stacking up monthly costs spiral. Audit issues. Incomplete or messy documentation makes HMRC audits painful and expensive. Here's a hook for you. If HMRC audited your expense claims today, could you provide a clear, documented trail for every single line item? If not, your business is exposed. Every business should have a written expense policy. What's allowed, what's not, and what documentation is required. Meals, mileage, hotel stays, spell it out clearly. This avoids disputes and keeps everyone on the same page. If you don't already have one, create a policy today and make employees sign it when they submit their first claim. Paper receipts are unreliable. They fade, they get lost, and they're impossible to track. Switch to digital capture. Tools like Xero, QuickBooks, Pleo, and Expensify allow employees to snap a photo of their receipt and upload it instantly. This creates a permanent record that HMRC accepts as valid proof for VAT reclaims. Never let employees approve their own expenses. Instead, build in workflows where managers review reports before finance processes them. Modern systems can automate this, flagging high-value or unusual claims for extra review. This saves time while keeping accountability intact. Set clear limits. For example, a daily meal allowance of £25 or a maximum hotel rate of £120 per night. And categorize expenses, travel, meals, accommodation, supplies. If claims fall outside approved categories, they should be automatically flagged or rejected. Fraud often hides in plain sight. Employees might submit the same Uber receipt twice or round up mileage figures. Use software with duplicate detection and require supporting evidence, like maps for mileage claims. This discourages fraud and makes reviews faster. Finally, require employees to submit expense reports within a set time frame, say 30 days, and keep a full audit trail. Receipts, approvals, notes. Not only does this simplify audits, but it also strengthens your VAT recovery and protects the business if disputes arise. In the UK, VAT recovery is only possible if you have valid invoices that meet HMRC requirements. That means digital receipts with VAT numbers, dates, and supplier details. Also, be aware of special rules. Business meals are reclaimable in some cases, but client entertainment is not. Mileage can only be reimbursed at HMRC's approved rates, currently 45p per mile for cars up to 10,000 miles. Get this wrong and HMRC will deny your reclaim, or worse, issue penalties. Expense reports might seem like small admin tasks, but without controls they can seriously damage your bottom line. Put these safeguards in place and you'll cut fraud, reclaim VAT, and protect your cash flow. Next time, we'll cover billing and collection controls, the strategies that ensure your invoices are paid faster and disputes don't drag on. If you found this video useful, hit like, subscribe for more UK-focused accounting tips, and drop a comment. What's the most unusual expense claim you've ever seen?